Hey guys, Colorado Camperman Brian here. So I'm coming to you guys from the land here. This last weekend we were here for our first trip. And as you saw in my last video, the little guy fell into a pile of cactus. So our trip got cut short and we were not able to get done some stuff that we needed to get done while we were down here. So I got some work stuff done this morning at home, and then I drove here. And I'm just going to spend the rest of the day here just taking care of some honeydews. I got to get some no trespassing signs put up on the front. I already checked our cameras that we have set up on the property. Nobody was here. Nobody was trespassing. Everything looks exactly how we left it, which is awesome and super reassuring. And yeah, I got to get some more of this junk hauled away. And hopefully be able to go out and have some fun, go on an ATV ride and do a little bit of exploring. So we weren't really able to do much of anything because, again, with the little guy getting hurt, you know. But he's feeling great, by the way. He's awesome. You would never be able to guess that he fell in a pile of cactus. That happened, it's Tuesday, that happened Saturday. So whatever, that happened about 3 days ago, and he's doing awesome. So he's such a little champ. He still definitely has some marks on his little body and stuff like that. And we think he still has some splines or whatever they're called in him. But he won't let us near him to be able to pull him out. But he's doing great, just so you guys know. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started with these honeydews so I can hopefully go for a fun ride at the end of the day. Well, she's not going to win a beauty contest, but it will do. And I'm going to hustle it because looks like I'm about to get poured on. It's thundering and definitely raining on top of the mountain there for sure. Got 2 more to put up. There we go, last one. Got 3 up and put 1 up on over the weekend, so we got 4 up. Well, it's about lunchtime, so I'm going to have some lunch here, but it's thundering all around me, so I actually really hope it does rain. It rained here for just a little bit, but it's just so dry here. The county that our land is in is now in a stage 2 fire restriction, so you can't have any open fires or anything like that. So we desperately need to get some water and some rain for sure. This place normally is pretty dry, but it's super dry right now. So I'm hoping that the thunder that I'm hearing definitely brings a lot of rain, because that storm that we had lasted, I don't know, 4 minutes at most, and it maybe just was enough to kind of keep the dust down, but wasn't really anything of any significance. But anyways, I'm gonna have some lunch and then get back to work. Having a little peanut butter and honey sandwich here for lunch. Just enjoying the view. It's nice. It's not super hot out, so the camper's pretty cool. It's like 75 degrees outside, so and there's a little bit of a breeze, but yeah, super nice. Well, I'm back at it over here with the pile of junk from the old guy's shed, and I'm gonna try to get this mostly cleaned up, hopefully before it starts raining. So I'm gonna get to it. So we got a little bit of a pile here. That wood I'm gonna keep there. We're gonna burn that eventually when we're off a burn ban. These limbs off this tree I'll eventually cut up. I brought my chainsaw with me, but I don't really want to get it out just to cut those down because there's a couple other dead trees and limbs that I know I'm gonna want to take down. So really no sense of me busting out just for a few limbs there, but I'm gonna fill up the big trash can that I have. It's one of the few things that the dude actually left that was worth something and decent, but I'm gonna do cactus mitigation before that. But honestly, I need a break, so how about we go for an ATV ride? I think that sounds like a good idea. I haven't really even explored the property at all, and I at least want to do kind of a lap around the perimeter, because like I said, I haven't really even done that. So let's go ahead and do that. So this area is super sweet. I haven't been over here yet, but got these tall, older looking pinions, and the lower branches are kind of off, so it's kind of cool. You can drive around through here and stuff, and they have a nice canopy. And you know, on a more sunny day, you know, they give you some shade. But this is one boundary of our property here. We do allow grazing. We have a lease with the neighbor, so it looks like the previous owner had wanted to put in a fence, and he has a barbed wire and everything, but he just, for whatever reason, never did. So here's another decent opening on the property. And the dry creek bed is just right over here too. This is a little deeper, so we'd have to clear out some trees. The camper's kind of over in that area, just beyond all those trees. But we'd have to do a little bit more clearing out, but we could, this could definitely be an area to camp for sure. Here's another large, very large opening. Actually, this one's pretty huge. We got a little bit of a hill here, which is sweet. I didn't know that we had that type of variation. Some big trees along over here too. Very nice. So if you guys are seeing this for the first time, just like I am, I've actually never seen some of this. Me and the realtor originally did walk some of the property, but I haven't seen really any of this. This area is super sweet. I definitely like it. And I like that there's a little hill right there, and it opens up into the neighbor's property over there and everything too. But nice rocky little hill. Back property boundaries pretty close up here too. So. And we're back to the driveway. So just trying to make a loop around here. And yeah, haven't seen anything else that you guys haven't really already seen. Everything else looks kind of the same. So I think I'll head back. All right, guys. Well, that pretty much does it for this video. I actually need to get heading back home. I was going to do some more cactus mitigation, but took a little bit longer of an ATV ride than I thought I was going to. So I need to head home, but there'll be plenty more videos coming from the land, that's for sure. So we're going to be back this weekend, so you guys will see a trip video, and I'll probably be doing some videos specifically about the land as well. So stay tuned for that. But otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.